Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This weekend was amazing and I can't wait to share all the fun moments with you. From a relaxing morning coffee to exciting shopping, meeting friends, and a fun bowling night. This weekend was full of joy and laughter. Stay tuned until the end to see how I made the most of my days off. Let's get started. My name is Eliza and I live in Los Angeles, California. It was Friday evening and I felt happy. The weekend was starting. After a long week of work, I was ready to relax. I planned to enjoy my Saturday and Sunday and make the most of my free time. On Friday night, I ate dinner with my family. My mother, Sophia, cooked delicious food. We had rice, chicken, and vegetables. My younger brother, Daniel, was excited about the weekend too. After dinner, we decided to do something fun. We played a board game called Monopoly. It was competitive and exciting. My brother kept buying properties, and soon I was losing money in the game. We laughed a lot and had a great time together. After that, we watched a comedy movie in our living room. The atmosphere in our home was warm and joyful. After the movie, I went to my room. I read a book for some time and then went to sleep, excited for the weekend ahead. On Saturday morning, I woke up at 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth and took a shower. Then I made a cup of coffee. I sat near the window and enjoyed my coffee while listening to the birds outside. The weather in Los Angeles was nice, the sun was shining, and there was a cool breeze. It was a perfect morning. After that, I went to the kitchen to make breakfast. I made toast and eggs. My family also joined me for breakfast. We talked about our plans for the day and had a good time. After breakfast, I cleaned my room. I arranged my clothes, made my bed, and dusted the furniture. It made my room look fresh. Then I decided to go outside. I went to Griffith Park, which is near my house. The park was full of people. Children were playing, and some people were jogging. I walked around the park and enjoyed the fresh air. I also sat on a bench and watched people. It was relaxing. I took some pictures of the beautiful scenery and enjoyed the peaceful environment. While walking in the park, I saw a street performer playing the violin. The music was beautiful, and a small crowd gathered around. I stopped to listen for a while. The energy of the place was amazing. I even recorded a short video to share with my friends. After spending some time in the park, I went to the grocery store near my house. I bought some fruits, vegetables, and snacks. I also picked up some fresh flowers to decorate my room. Then I came back home. My mother was cooking lunch. She made pasta and salad. The smell of the food filled the house, and I couldn't wait to eat. It was very tasty. After lunch, I helped my mother clean the dishes and then rested for a while. In the afternoon, I took a short nap. It made me feel fresh. Then I decided to call my best friend Emma. We talked for a long time. We planned to meet in the evening. At 5 p.m., I got ready and went to Emma's house. We walked to a cafe called Sunset Cafe and ordered coffee. We talked about many things. We shared stories, laughed, and enjoyed our time together. It was nice to spend time with my friend. After that, we went shopping at the Grove. I bought some clothes and shoes. I also bought a new handbag. Emma and I tried on different outfits and had fun exploring the shops. We even took funny pictures in the dressing room. We found a store with beautiful jewelry and spent time trying on different necklaces and bracelets. Then we saw a photo booth in the mall. We quickly jumped in and took silly pictures. We laughed so much looking at them. Later, we met our other friends, Lily and James, at a bowling alley. It was a spontaneous plan, and I was excited. The bowling alley was lively, with music playing and people cheering for their friends. We played a few rounds, and I even managed to get a strike. James joked that I should join a bowling team. After the game, we sat at a nearby diner and ordered burgers and milkshakes. We talked about our childhood memories, funny school moments, and upcoming plans. The conversation was full of laughter and joy. It felt amazing to be with my friends and create such wonderful memories. Then I went back home. My family was waiting for me. We had dinner together. After dinner, I watched TV for some time. Then I went to my room and listened to music. I sang along to my favorite songs and felt happy. After a while, I felt sleepy and went to bed. On Sunday morning, I woke up late. It was a lazy morning. I made pancakes for breakfast. My family loved them. We sat together and enjoyed our meal. After breakfast, I watched some videos on my phone. Then I decided to clean my closet. I removed old clothes and arranged everything neatly. It felt good to organize my space. In the afternoon, my family and I went to visit my grandparents, who live in Pasadena. They were happy to see us. We talked and spent a good time together. My grandmother made some snacks for us. She made homemade cookies and lemonade. We sat in the garden and enjoyed the fresh air. My grandfather shared some old stories from his childhood, and we laughed at his funny experiences. We stayed there for a few hours and then returned home. In the evening, I watched a TV show with my brother, Daniel. It was a fun show, and we laughed a lot. Then I started preparing for the new week. I arranged my things and made a to-do list. I also read a book for some time. I felt peaceful and ready for the new week ahead. After dinner, I relaxed for a while. I thought about my weekend. It was a good weekend. I spent time with my family and friends. I also got time to relax. I felt grateful for the happy moments. I looked through my phone and smiled at the pictures I had taken during the weekend. Then I went to bed. And that's how my weekend went. It was filled with fun, laughter, and amazing memories with my family and friends. I hope you enjoyed this story and found it relatable. Let me know in the comments how you spent your weekend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories. See you in the next video. Bye!